This morning we're going to be testing the efficiency of this new 15 kilowatt generator. Now what I've done is I've set the voltage of the meter on the output. And what that does is it gives us an understanding of the load that the generator is facing. Now right now it's 51.8 ohms. That is the load. Now we're going to take the output of the generator, we're going to for the voltage, and we're going to square it, and we're going to divide it by this 51.8, and that's going to give us the wattage out. That's how we do it. I'm going to change this back to the DC voltage. Now this is going to be the right here is going to be the RPM. This screen right here is the output of the Himmelstein. Now the Himmelstein is right here. The Himmelstein is a calibrated rotary torque meter that's going to tell us how much energy is being applied to the generator. We take the energy being applied to the generator, we measure the output, and the results is the efficiency of the generator. Now you see here the 167.167, that is the offset. Now the way we work this is this. I will give you an understanding. If you had 75 RPM and you had 167 as a torque and you had torque as 256 and your output voltage is 31.2, you would be at 73.81%. That's at 675, but that was done with a different generator yesterday. So it doesn't mean anything other than to show you what we're doing. You're going to see the term and hear the term over unity. Over unity means the following. It says that we're getting more input out than we're getting in. We're not violating any laws of physics. What happens is the way I've got the green board set up, the windings, and the way I've got the magnets arranged means we get the power, the additional power out of the magnets. We're not over unity, or we're not violating the laws of physics, we're over unity. Now I'm going to start running this generator and you're going to see it. Now what we do is we turn the power on, that green light will come on, and then I have a controller here that controls the RPM. Now as you see it spin, you can see for yourself what happens. Now we're at, let's say, we're at 168 RPM, 172, 74. Okay, now I'm going to put 174 in here. 174. The torque is 20. Let's say 21.8, 2.18. And the voltage right now is 45.25. So we're up to 79.56% at 174 RPM. Now I'm going to speed it up. We're at 214, 227, 237, 240. Let's let it settle down. All right, we go 241. Let's say There, you can see what we've done. We're over unity. There's no question about it. The faster I spin it, the more it goes over unity. There's a little fluctuation in the torque meter, but we're over unity continuously. No other generator can do that. We're only at 600 RPM. We broke unity at 506. This is the kind of thing we're doing. The variations of the percentages is really a matter of the torque meter, not of the generator. But this is very impressive. Again, this is not violating any of the laws of physics. This is simply taking more power out of the generator than we're putting in, and we're verifying it live. We are not doing anything that violates the laws of physics.